Tamanu oil uses and treatment. Uses: acne, athlete's foot, dark spots, dry skin, eczema, hair loss, psoriasis, rosacea. Aura Cacia Organic Tamanu Oil Nourishing Review. Description: Pure essential oils. Vietnam. Skincare oil. USDA Organic. Certified organic by QAI. Not tested on animals. Suggested use. Directions: use as a body or skincare oil, a nourishing hair and scalp massage, or to soften and nourish dry skin. Enjoy the benefits of Aura Cacia essential oils by adding 1 to 2 drops of essential oil to each pump of Tamanu in the palm of your hand. Other ingredients: organic calophyllum, inophyllum, Tamanu, seed oil. No synthetic preservatives, colors or fragrances. Warnings: pure, virgin Tamanu oil can separate or form layers when left stationary or if exposed to cold temperatures. Place the sealed bottle in warm water and 8 to 115 degrees Fahrenheit, then shake the bottle. Do not microwave. Store in a cool, dry place. For external use only. Avoid contact with eyes. Keep out of reach of children. Do not use if you are allergic to tree nuts. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.